What does that mean in English?
Maybe kid.
Okay. And what has he got on his face?
Maybe a moustache.
Nice. What's he made out of?
Maybe a snake.
Huh?
The boy is a snake.
The boy is a snake.
Yeah.
But what's he made out of? What did you make him out of?
He doesn't have a leg.
No, he doesn't. You're right. But he has... What does he have?
A nose, and eyes, and a moustache, and mouth, and a face.
Yeah? And what's the face made out of?
The face is made of carrots.
Which type of carrots?
These, and these, and these.
What do we call them?
Circles, carrot, and sticks.
Which one's your favourite?
This one.
Are you going to eat it?